Hey, it's Morgan from WTI, and I love this case for my Kindle. This case from LIUDENWIN is so great. This is for universal for different e-readers for the 6-inch to 6.8-inch range. I have a 6-inch Kindle, and I love this so much. It really feels protected in this case, which I love, but it's still really comfortable to hold in your hand. I love how it's set up. The stand is amazing. I've been wanting a case for a long time that has a stand that you can prop up and use, and it also comes with a handle so that you can more easily hold it up and it won't slip. I really love that. The magnetic closures are great. The openings are really great. It fits everything just right, and it's super snug and secure, but also really easy to put in and take out if you need to. I love this color so much. It feels really buttery soft. I love that I can just take it with me or throw it anywhere, and I know that my Kindle is going to be protected, and it's also super, super cute. I definitely recommend this case, and that's my point of view.